Hello everyone, welcome to another entrepreneurial vlog. I have another shipment that I'm going to share with you guys, so stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Monique Daniels, and today I am going to be showing you guys what I got in the mail for the business. So to all my entrepreneurs out there, to all my people that like to do DIYs, or to people that are considering starting a business, and you don't know quite where to start or where to get certain supplies that you may need, this is it for you right here. So I will be giving you all that information with this video and with other videos to come. Okay, so yes, today I got one of my much needed products, my glass bottles with the sprayer. All right, so if you get a sprayer bottle package, right, and you notice that it doesn't fit, that's fine. Some of them come like that. Okay, to rectify this being too long, if you have to cut it, this is what you do. So you kind of just line it up. See how I lined it up right there, right at the top of this, because you want it to go down the whole length of it, right? So this is kind of hard to do up here. I usually just kind of put it on my counter and line it up and just cut the tip of it off. But as you can see how I have it lined up there? Right there, it goes across the length of it, and there's just a little bit left over there. You just want to snip that. And bam! It's perfect. So, there you go. So now that's perfect. It's going to get everything on the bottom in there. And you'll be good to go. Okay? Now, we normally use these with our Sage Purifying Hand Spray. We use it for that. We use it for our lavender hair growth spray. We use it for our sage hair growth spray. And we also use it for our facial mist, our lavender facial mist. Okay, so that's it. That's what it looks like. They package these well, and as you can hear, that's glass. So they had to be extra careful with these. But these are awesome quality, and if you're looking for something like this, I'll definitely have some Amazon links in the description so that you can check that out for your own business or for your own personal use. But yeah, that was it. That was the only thing I got today. That was it. I'm pretty stocked up right now. I have plenty of everything pretty much. So I just wanted to share that with you guys before I started filling them up, because I do have to make some more sage hair growth spray. Yeah, I have to make some more. And yes, and I definitely need that because we're getting ready to have another pop-up event that we're going to, and that's going to be December 19 in Hartford. So if you're in the area, in the Connecticut area, definitely come check us out because we always give great specials at our table. It's always less than what we would actually give on our website. So definitely come see us. We'll give you a good deal. And then too, you get to talk to Jasmine, and she is certified as an esthetician. You know what I'm saying? So she can give you some great advice on your skin. She can look at your skin and let you know exactly what you need for your skin. So yes, definitely come see us. We will be there in the building, okay? Being safe, of course. All right. So, with that being said, you guys, you have an awesome, blessed, amazing day, night, whatever time zone you're in. And always remember that you are a queen and you are a king. So, always walk and step into your divine greatness. All right, bye bye now.